How to add friends on Snapchat for web on PC on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to find and add people on Snapchat directly from your browser. First, open your Chrome browser on your Windows 11 PC. After that, go to snapchat.com in the address bar and log into your account. Let me show you. From there, click on the Add option at the top left of the screen. At this point, type in the username of the person you want to add in the search bar. In the next step, their profile will appear in the search results. Click on it to open their profile. From there, click on Add Friend to send them a friend request. At this stage, the person will receive a notification letting them know you've sent them a friend request. Once they accept, you'll be added as friends on Snapchat. Here's an important note. If the person has a private account, they may need to accept your request before you can interact with them on Snapchat. You'll receive a notification once they've accepted. And that's it. If this guide helped you add friends on Snapchat for web, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.